The KTM 1290 Super Adventure is one of the most exciting machines in the world of motorcycles. Blending raw power with advanced touring capability, at its heart sits a 1,301cc V-twin engine that produces astonishing torque and horsepower, giving riders the ability to cruise effortlessly on highways or unleash thrilling acceleration when the road opens up. What makes it stand out is not just the speed, but how KTM engineered this bike to deliver stability and confidence at high speeds. Whether on smooth tarmac or rugged trails, it's a superbike disguised in an adventure frame, ready to take on anything. Design-wise, the 1290 Super combines aggression with practicality. The sharp body lines, LED headlamps, and aerodynamic fairing give it a striking presence on the road. The adjustable windscreen and ergonomic seating make long rides more comfortable, showing that KTM didn't just focus on performance, but also rider endurance. Its tall stance and commanding position make it a favorite for those who want both adventure and everyday usability. Even parked, it demands attention as a motorcycle that was clearly built to lead. Technology is another area where this bike excels, packed with advanced electronics such as adaptive cruise control, cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes. The 1290 Super ensures safety while enhancing performance. The large TFT display provides easy access to navigation, bike, data, and connectivity features, making it as smart as it is powerful. KTM has created a machine that embraces the latest technology to give riders more control and confidence in any environment, from city rides to cross-country touring. For riders seeking the ultimate adventure companion, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure is a complete package. It combines incredible engine performance, cutting-edge technology, and thoughtful design into a motorcycle that inspires confidence and freedom. It's not just about riding from one point to another, but about enjoying every second